most deadly military drones in the world. In the ever-evolving landscape of military technology, the emergence of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, more commonly known as drones, has reshaped the dynamics of modern warfare. These formidable machines, often equipped with advanced sensors, precise targeting systems, and lethal munitions, stand at the forefront of defense strategies employed by nations across the globe. Each drone on this list represents a pinnacle of innovation, blending cutting-edge technology with strategic foresight. From surveillance and reconnaissance to delivering precision strikes deep into enemy territory, these drones epitomize the fusion of artificial intelligence, aerospace engineering, and military tactics. Bayraktar TB2. The Bayraktar TB2 stands as an exemplary achievement in the realm of military drone technology, representing Turkey's commitment to innovation in defense capabilities. This medium-altitude, long-endurance unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV) has garnered international attention for its exceptional performance on the battlefield. Its state-of-the-art avionics, coupled with advanced sensors, make it a force to be reckoned with in intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) operations. The Bayraktar TB2's modular design allows for the integration of precision-guided munitions, transforming it into a versatile platform capable of both surveillance and targeted strikes. Its impact on modern warfare cannot be overstated, showcasing Turkey's strategic advancements in the drone arena. MQ-25 Stingray. Boeing's MQ-25 Stingray stands at the forefront of carrier-based unmanned aerial vehicles, ushering in a new era in naval aviation. Developed for the United States Navy, the MQ-25 plays a pivotal role in extending the operational reach of carrier air wings. Its cutting-edge autonomous capabilities and aerial refueling functionalities significantly enhance the endurance of carrier-based aircraft. As a force multiplier, the MQ-25 Stingray redefines the dynamics of maritime operations, exemplifying the United States' commitment to maintaining air superiority and strategic mobility in complex naval environments. Gray Eagle. The Gray Eagle, crafted by General Atomics, emerges as a cornerstone in the U.S. Army's arsenal of unmanned systems, embodying precision and endurance. This long-endurance UAV serves as a force multiplier with its extensive operational capabilities. Outfitted with advanced sensors, including synthetic aperture radar and infrared cameras, the Great Eagle excels in intelligence gathering and surveillance missions. Beyond its ISR role, it boasts the capability to carry and deploy a variety of munitions, transforming it into a versatile combat platform. The Great Eagle's adaptability and resilience make it a linchpin in modern warfare scenarios, showcasing the synergy between advanced technology and military strategy. Loyal Wingman. The concept of a loyal wingman represents a paradigm shift in military aviation, and several countries, including Australia, are actively pursuing this innovative approach. While not tied to a specific platform, the idea involves integrating unmanned aerial vehicles that can operate alongside manned aircraft. These wingmen, designed for a range of missions, from surveillance to electronic warfare, enhance the capabilities of traditional air fleets. The collaborative and autonomous nature of Loyal Wingman projects underscores a new era in air combat strategies, augmenting both offensive and defensive operations. Eksunger. Turkey's Eksunger drone stands as a testament to the nation's commitment to developing indigenous military technologies. With an impressive endurance and payload capacity, the Eksunger is designed for various roles, including surveillance, reconnaissance, and combat. Its versatility allows it to carry an array of munitions, transforming it into a formidable strike platform. Equipped with advanced sensors and communication systems, the Eksunger exemplifies Turkey's strides in establishing self-reliance in defense capabilities and underscores the growing importance of unmanned aerial systems on the modern battlefield. MQ-9 Reaper. The MQ-9 Reaper, an iconic unmanned aerial vehicle developed by General Atomics, has been a stalwart in the U.S. military's drone fleet. Renowned for its endurance, the Reaper is capable of long-duration flights, providing persistent surveillance and strike capabilities. Armed with precision-guided munitions, it plays a crucial role in modern warfare, conducting targeted strikes against high-value enemy targets. Its advanced sensor suite, including radar and infrared systems, ensures optimal situational awareness. The MQ-9 Reaper's adaptability and lethality make it a linchpin in the U.S. military's efforts to maintain air dominance and strike capabilities across diverse theaters. Predator Sea Avenger. The Predator Sea Avenger, developed by General Atomics, is a stealthy and agile unmanned aircraft designed for both reconnaissance and strike missions. With its sleek design and advanced avionics, this drone pushes the boundaries of technological innovation. Equipped with internal weapons bays, the Avenger can carry a variety of munitions while maintaining a low radar cross-section. Its long-range capabilities and adaptability to various mission profiles make it a potent asset in contemporary warfare, offering a combination of persistence and precision in a single platform. Northrop Grumman X-47B. The Northrop Grumman X-47B, a pioneering unmanned combat air vehicle (UCAV), represents a landmark achievement in autonomous aviation. Developed for the United States Navy, it has demonstrated groundbreaking capabilities, including autonomous takeoffs and landings on aircraft carriers. The X-47B's stealthy design and advanced avionics allow it to operate in contested environments, conducting intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions, as well as striking high-value targets. This drone signifies a transformative shift in naval aviation, showcasing the potential of unmanned systems to operate seamlessly alongside traditional manned aircraft. RQ-4 Global Hawk. The RQ-4 Global Hawk, manufactured by Northrop Grumman, is a high-altitude, long-endurance unmanned aircraft, renowned for its unparalleled surveillance capabilities. Designed for strategic reconnaissance and intelligence gathering, the Global Hawk boasts a vast range, allowing it to cover extensive areas without the need for forward basing. Equipped with sophisticated sensors, including synthetic aperture radar and high-resolution cameras, it provides real-time, high-fidelity data to military commanders. The Global Hawk's ability to operate at high altitudes and endure lengthy missions makes it an indispensable asset for global intelligence and surveillance operations. Dassault Neuron. The Dassault Neuron is a European collaborative effort, showcasing the capabilities of unmanned combat air vehicles. Developed by Dassault Aviation in partnership with multiple European aerospace companies, this drone represents a step toward a future where collaborative, interoperable unmanned systems operate seamlessly across international borders. With its stealthy design and advanced avionics, the Neuron is geared for both reconnaissance and strike missions. The collaborative nature of its development underscores the increasing importance of multinational efforts in shaping the future of military drone technology. These military drones symbolize the forefront of technological innovation in modern warfare, showcasing the evolution of unmanned systems from surveillance platforms to sophisticated combat assets. Their capabilities, ranging from intelligence gathering to precision strikes, redefine the dynamics of military operations, emphasizing the transformative impact of unmanned aerial vehicles on the contemporary battlefield. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.